In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can delete specific rows in SQL. Say you have a sample data with a list of customers. When you want to delete a specific data set or row, you need to use a where clause to filter down or narrow down your data set. So here I have the delete command, delete from customers, right? And then I'm narrowing it down based on the customer ID, which is unique. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 6. So if I only wanted to delete Coral Williams, then I'll specify the ID of 3 to delete that customer. So if I execute this delete statement, now let's execute the query to view the data, you'll see that that specific record is deleted. Now if you wanted to delete multiple records, for example, customers who was an ID less than 4, you could say 4 and then you specify the less than here, and then when we execute this, it will delete all the customers who have an ID that is less than 4. So let's check our table. Now we only have 3 customers remaining. Now depending on the type of delete that you want to do, you want to ensure that you are deleting on a key that is unique to that table. So for example, here we have 2ever, right? If you're supposed to delete by the first name where the first name is equal to ever, then it will delete these 2 records and not the first one, right? So you have to keep that in mind. Always delete on the unique key where possible. Sometimes you may want to delete on a range. Sometimes you may also say you could also be deleting by a city, right? But you have to be careful when you're deleting so you don't mistakenly delete data that you don't want to remove. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like or comment.